buonasera. You'll notice I said buonasera today and not buongiorno because it's after 3 p.m. And in Italy, buonasera is good evening that we use after 3 p.m. And good evening, tonight we're making everybody's favorite chicken parmigiana. So although chicken parmigiana is not really a dish that we eat in Italy, it's very popular here in the United States because it's an Italian-American dish and it's so delicious. I'm going to show you how to make my chicken parmigiana even easier by using Lisa's Italian Kitchen Classic Red Sunday sauce. My classic red is just like my Sicilian grandmother made. Imported organic San Marzano tomatoes, fresh flat leaf parsley, fresh garlic, nothing dried, nothing dehydrated, salt and pepper. It's perfect for so many dishes, just like this one tonight. So what I do for my chicken parm, you'll notice here I have a few cutlets already made. And what I do with my chicken cutlets is I take one and I place it in the flour. Now I've seasoned my flour with salt and pepper. That's all, just salt and pepper. Then I dip it in the egg. Make sure it's well coated because you want the next step, which is the really delicious step, to stick. So here I have my Italian breadcrumbs flavored only with salt, pepper, and a little flat leaf parsley. But the key is I put my Parmigiano cheese. I put about half a cup of Parmigiano cheese. I've already put it in here in my breadcrumbs. So you get Parmigiano in this dish in two ways, in the breadcrumbs. And then, of course, I have my olive oil, which is warm here. Oops. And I put my chicken breast in the extra virgin olive oil, which is already warm, in my pan. And then I'm just going to get it golden on either side until it looks like that. Now, what we do while this is cooking, I'll show you. So simple. I've taken some of my classic red and put it on the bottom of the casserole. Layer my chicken cutlets that are breaded, and then you just open my classic red sauce. So simple, already flavored for you. Just pour a little bit on top. You don't have to pour too much. And then let's remember that the name of this dish is chicken parmigiana. So I know sometimes you'll find it with mozzarella or provolone cheese. I don't do this because I like to stay with the classic recipe, which is just Parmigiana cheese. And it tastes so delicious because everybody loves Parmigiano cheese. How can you not? So I just put the Parmigiano. No mozzarella, no provolone, which makes it heavier. Just your beautiful breaded chicken cutlets, my exquisite classic red sauce with all the seasonings in it, 100% natural and organic. Then what I do is I take my casserole and I pop it in the oven at 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. And eccolo, you have wonderful, delicious chicken parmesan, which everybody loves. A family favorite. Buon appetito, tutti a tavola. Ciao.